Welcome to the interactive world of Cabri II Plus. Cabri II Plus is cutting-edge software for the teaching and learning of maths and is appropriate for secondary school students of all ages. At St Angela's Ursuline Convent School in East London in the United Kingdom, 12 and 13-year-old students are exploring shape and space in a whole new dimension.
I want you to close your eyes for me for 1 second. I want you to think of a really big square, and I want you to think of the angle bisectors going through each angle in the square. And I want you to try and picture what that looks like.
Cabri is a dynamic geometry package, which many people probably heard of. And I suppose you would think that it just has applications to the shape and space area of the course, and which it does, but it also applies to many other areas such as algebra and number. It encourages mathematics teachers to engage with the maths that's behind any activity.
Okay, so is this what you thought it would look like, girls?
I think the most important thing about Cabri Geometry II Plus is that it allows you to do things easily that you could not do at all with a pen and paper. The students are engaged, and because they can come up with experiments and investigate their ideas and get really quick responses, it keeps their concentration up, and they can do a lot more than they'd normally do in a lesson. In a way, they learn to talk mathematics. In every activity that they complete, they're using mathematics language because of the tools that they're using.
I'm doing transformations, and I type in an angle of rotation, and then I can see if it's a reflection or a rotation. And then instead of having to start all over again, I can just change the angle of rotation in the numerical edit.
We don't always know if we've made a mistake, but with this it tells you if, just say that the lines are not parallel, it will tell you if the lines aren't parallel. You may think they are, but not always. It makes it much easier to do.
With something like Cabri, in a way they own their learning. They're really involved with the work, and for the students that are working ahead, they can extend their learning very easily. As a teacher, you can differentiate each activity. You can reduce the toolbar so that it's suitable from primary school right up through secondary school to A-level activities. If somebody hasn't used it before, it is very easy to teach yourself how to use this, especially because of the Cabri Assistant.
Cabri II Plus has a new built-in assistant to discover the full pedagogical power of Cabri and unleash it in the classroom right away. The assistant contains helpful videos and 60 ready-to-teach activities for geometry, science and algebra.
You can look at examples which relate to different areas of the curriculum, and you can watch videos which teach you how to use different tools in Cabri. One of the other reasons Cabri is fantastic for the students is the fact that you can embed Cabri files into Word and PowerPoint documents, which we have uploaded onto our virtual learning environment, so students can access those from home to complete Cabri activities for homework.
Cabri is embedded in Texas Instrument graphing calculators. With Cabri Junior, students and teachers can exchange Cabri files between a PC and their calculators. Higher-level mathematical concepts are easier to teach using Cabri II Plus. Interactive learning with Cabri II Plus leads to a deeper understanding of mathematics and improved results. According to research based on 15,000 students over 6 years, students improve their grades by 30% by using Cabri.
I think that one of the best features it has is doing things so quickly, things that would take ages with paper, like measuring angles, creating perpendicular bisectors. It's very, very easy and very, very beneficial to use.